I watched every portfolio update Bruce Wang did so you can be a better investor. And before I tell you why, editor, play that glow up montage. And before you do, he's a fellow Bostonian, so make it wicked nice.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Robinhood Investment Challenge. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Bruce Wang. In today's video, I want to share with you my experience with this trading app called Robinhood. My account right now is worth $683.72. I finally broke the $1,000 barrier. I have $1,011.86 in my account. Today is a red day, not looking too good. My portfolio is worth $1,336. On the day, I'm down about $30. But if you can see on the week, I'm also down 100. And on the month, I'm up almost 300. On the 3 months, I'm up 400. I've been depositing $100 into my account every week for the last 7 months. And now I've moved on to try another platform, and that platform is called M1 Finance. My portfolio is finally, after 8 months, over $4,000. I changed the name of the portfolio to the Wang Gang. I owe a lot of my success to you. So you guys keep me accountable, you guys keep me motivated, you guys keep me wanting to still invest in the stock markets. And I'm learning a lot from you guys as well through the comments and through our communication. So this is my portfolio, and I have finally hit the $1,000 value mark. I just crossed over $10,000 in my portfolio combined. I'm at $2,900. On my Robinhood portfolio, I'm at $7,100. I got $10,713.05. This is my current stock portfolio, February of 2020, and it is sitting at just under $40,000. One is from M1 Finance, the second one is from Robinhood, and the third one is from Vanguard. Every single week, I've been investing around $900 into the stock market. It is sitting at $49,119. My value of the portfolio is sitting just under $63,000. So basically, everything in my portfolio is up about 10%, every single stock. Right now, my portfolio is sitting at $15,600. This week, I invested around $1,200 into the stock market. We are almost at $100,000 when it comes to all of my accounts combined. It's been 2 years, man. It's been 2 damn long years, and we're still here. We're still here, baby. The day has finally come. Check it out, guys. $100,000.
I'm not crying, I swear. I'm just sweating through my eyes. Man, these journeys are just so inspirational. But inspiration aside, why did I decide to do this, and how is it going to help you as an investor? If you're new to the channel, welcome. We talk about what performances are good performances. Namely, is Bruce Wang doing something that we should be doing, or would we be better off passively investing into an index fund? And by watching this video, if you find the content helpful, make sure you like that smash button and buy stock in our subscriber count. But let's begin. Serendipitously, 3 of the largest finance YouTubers all dropped $100,000 stock portfolio updates around the same time. Tommy Bryson, Ryan Scribner, and Bruce Wang all dropped $100,000 stock portfolio updates. In previous videos, I already did a portfolio review on Ryan Scribner and Tommy Bryson, which are linked in the description below. And I concluded that we didn't have enough information to figure out what their rate of return actually was, and suggested that we don't do what they did instead of passively invest in the S&P 500 until we get more information. Was Bruce Wang any different? No, unfortunately, we didn't get enough information to do the math ourselves. However, what is different is the way we're going to do this portfolio update. This one's going to be different because I'm going to pressure myself to guess as close as I possibly could what his balance would be had he invested his M1 Finance portfolio into just the S&P 500 with dividends reinvested. Now, taking these guesses as close as I possibly could, after watching 2 years worth of updates, I found that as of a recent video, his ending balance was about $29,120. Had he invested in the S&P 500 with dividends reinvested, he would have $29,190, which is a $70 difference. And $70 doesn't sound like a lot, but keep this in mind. $70 was only over a 2-year span, and the tax efficiency is better with just the S&P 500, which widens the gap. Also mind this, the S&P 500 is passive, completely passive. All we'd have to do is automate the transactions and never see it again. Again, I just want to be specific that we didn't get the right information we need to understand his true performance, so these are just my best guesses. However, I can almost definitively say that the S&P 500 index would have outperformed his investing strategy so far. That in mind, I do want to stress one thing before we get into the lightning round, because you know it wouldn't be a portfolio update without it. We're not saying you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong for these reasons. We don't want to fit into that crowd. Instead, we're trying to elevate the financial community by saying here are ways that we can improve. For example, while I was binge watching Bruce Wang's videos, I came across this comment that had 125 likes. And how did Bruce Wang respond? He gave that comment a heart. So we don't want to fit into the crowd of people that are doing the dislikes. Instead, we want to support the guy who's willing to give that comment a heart. Cue lightning round. First off, we need to have transaction history. And that's because there's specific information we need to calculate his rate of return, and then we can communicate it. And I talked about what information we needed in previous videos, and I did a live stream where I provided a template that you could use so that way you can calculate your returns and then communicate it to your audience. And that brings me to another point. By having a spreadsheet, you increase your accessibility. Number 2 in lightning round is the fact that I had to go through 2 years worth of information to filter through videos that did apply and didn't apply. And then when I got to videos that did apply, I had to extract the right information. And he didn't include it every single time. Sometimes it was in future videos or past ones, and I had to corroborate it that way. Lastly, I would never use the rates of returns on your apps. I have to give a big pat on the back to Bruce Wang, though, for being one of the first people to talk about what the rates actually meant. He knew M1 Finance is a money-weighted rate of return, and he knew Robinhood was total return. However, he still ended up trying to compare the two as if they were synonymous, but they're not. And even though some of them are closer to your actual rates of return, they don't give you your actual rate of return. So we need all that specific information in a spreadsheet so we can calculate it. But that's it for the lightning round, and that's all I have for you in this video. If you found this content helpful and it helped you think about the things we need to improve the financial community portfolio updates, I hope you consider liking that smash button, buying stock in that subscriber count, and Liberty Belling that notification icon. Thanks for watching, and until next time.